In this code, we are going to speak about comment. Comment is using to explain a Java code. If you know the word comment, it came from the English language. In Java, it is using in different methods. The first, it has two kind. One is a single line code, the other is more than one line code. The single line code is using just for one sentences, and the more than one line comment is using if you have more than one sentences or lines. I can give an example. I want to print a sentence. Hello world. This is hello world. Okay. Now I want to give a comment here. A single line comment. To give a single line comment, we are using /b for writing the comment. I am writing a comment. This is a hello world code. Now, after running this code, I will see the hello world, but I don't see the comment. This comment just help me to explain me about this code. You will never see the results of this comment in output. This is called single line comment. Okay, now I want to write multiple line code. How can I do that? To write multiple line code, we are writing slash with star, and between slash and star we are writing our comment. I'm writing a sentence. This will print hello, sorry, hello world. This code is very amazing. Now if you see in this code, we have multiple sentences. It means more than one sentences. If you have more than one sentences inside a comment, you should use this kind of comment. If you have one sentences and you want to write the sentences in a comment, you should use this one. Now if we run this code, we will just see our result of this part, not this part. This part is not printing in output. Let's compile and run it. Okay, I'm compiling it. Java C comment.java Java comment hello world. Okay, this was our comment.